it's an accessible sport for them. So as we move to our next driver, Jared Lambeth, who was a local man from here in Tauranga, has been honing his craft at Full Lock Saturdays here, courtesy of D1NZ.
Yep. Another rookie out for the first time in a competition environment.
How pro sporty is this setup?
It's great.
Is
It's
2004?
green, Saphiro,
2004,
black roof.
Some rims that have come randomly from somewhere.
Yep.
Whatever tyres you can find to throw on the back. It could be JT.
Yep.
It could be Justin Roode back in 2004, right?
Yeah.
Could be Adam Richards.
Yep.
Could be, what else? What other names can I throw on there? Brad Kidney, Kurt Whitaker, all Saphiro pilots are there.
Yep.
Have you piloted?
I have. I used to have one too. So.
The reason I ask is because I wondered, because you're such a Toyota guy, right?
Yeah,
You've always been a Toyota guy, but
I've got a couple. I've had a couple Silvias and Nissans in my time. So.
Did you wreck them?
I've wrecked one.
Of course you have. All right, Jared Lambeth rolls off the line. Real estate here in the local region, and that was not the initiation he would have wanted there, Jared Lambeth. I don't know if he maybe got slightly out of rhythm there, or just
a little bit timid on that entry there, but he's done a good job coming around that wall ride into the switch here as he goes into the second outer zone. Done a pretty good job. He's maybe a little bit offline as he tries to fill back up, hitting that Saphiro into that next outer clip there as he comes back onto the wall. Oh, very wide there as he comes back onto the GD radial wall ride and doing a good job staying up in that high line there as he comes around and onto the finish line. So not a bad lap there by Jared Lambert.
I reckon that's a solid banker. I think he'll learn from that run that he went up the track out of the teardrop too early, right? And then it kind of threw him on a weird line. He just got laid up wrong. But other than that, really solid from Jared Lambeth here on debut here and doing his sponsors proud. What else have we got on there?
Ray White.
Skydive? Was it Skydive?
Could be. Have you done skydiving?
No.
I love it. It's great.
Really? Oh, sign department.
Oh.
So Keska's happy to be thrown out of a plane. I'm not.
Yeah, it's good fun.
Yeah. So if you catch Darren Kelly's helicopter, then
you might be able to do it. Yeah.
Hey, did you go on the cruise yesterday?
I did. I actually took my streetcar on the cruise. It was great fun. I mean, it was unreal just having so many people. The school here, that they had all the kids lined up on the main street there.
Oh, that's our first look at Launch
unreal.
Monster. So that is the infamous Launch Monster Willie down there in the Launch Monster Willie zone. So he's got his own stickers this weekend. If you want a Launch Master Willie sticker or a Launch Monster Willie, he's got 2 different stickers available this weekend. He loves that name, doesn't he?
He does.
He's adopted that one, and he will do many, many things for a boil-up. If there's boil-up available or involved, Willie's king. All right, Jared Lambert looking pretty solid so far. What do we reckon so far? I think Wilden will be number 1 so far.
Yep.
What we've seen.
Good initiation there by Jared there as he comes onto the GD Radial wall ride. He does a very good job staying high as he comes off into the switch here and sets himself up for the second outer zone, doing very well. How's he going to transition? Oh, taps the ball a little bit and comes a little bit straight, so that's going to be a reinitiation or a deduction there as he comes into and tries to switch back, coming back onto the wall, sets himself up and doing a very good job there, staying back high on the wall. I mean, it's a bit of an unfortunate run here by Jared, seeing how he started his first one, but I mean, at least he banked the first run.
Yeah, it'll be interesting to see what the judges on that teardrop feel that he did understeer forward. So you are just watching. me. I said, what advice do you give Fang? He goes, don't crash, bro.
I love it. Here we got Jared Lambeth, local boy, going against Darren Murray. Darren's just entered perfectly up onto the wall there. Jared's got to catch up. Oh, he's got quite close. He's catching up to him, but Darren Murray's putting a perfect lead down for him. Jared's actually doing very well here. He hasn't done much competition drifting his first round of D1, so jumped right into the deep end, but Darren Murray laying down an absolute heater of a lead.
And this is the only way to get...
Oh, no!
Jared! He's just belted that wall there, Sam.
Something's happened there.
I would like to officially shake your hand, Sam. Congratulations on your first commentator's hex. You were busy talking Jared up, and look at what you did.
No, he's done so well this weekend.
Active arrowed the rear. This is a good way to get Ray White on TV, though, right?
It is. Yeah, it is. He's doing well for his sponsors.
Great visibility of your sponsorship. What happens here on the GT Radio replay? Again, very important to point out that the voice you are hearing was Sam West. He is responsible for this commentator's hex.
Yeah, sorry, Jared, but yeah, Darren's put down a perfect lead there, and Jared's just trying to catch up the whole time. Darren is very, very fast and smooth, but it looks like as they come back onto the wall ride home, something happens to Jared's car and puts him into the wall. So looking here,
I think he was just on the wrong line and got lost. Oh no, did it? Why did it shut down and switch violently like that?
Can't shut down and straighten the car up, or he's just oversteered it and it's come back into the wall.
It's a weird, yeah, it's sort of a, it's just a weird looking incident, isn't it? The way that it's done that.
Darren Murray up front has just laid down a heater of a lead.
Because the natural line is pushing you down the track, but
it looks like it may have shut down.
Because there's no smoke, there's nothing coming off. That's a hard hit.
Yeah, he's actually taking out the whole front right of that car, I think.
Alrighty, so let's, alright, so while we've got to clean up on track, let's take a look at some quick commercial messages and pay some bills.